School Head, and Dr. Marilyn H. Pasqua, Public School District Supervisor.
Class of 2026, Kyle Ashley L. Aquino, from Naya Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalo Aquino. Hard work leads to success. He aspired to be an engineer. Balesteros Kobe G, from Singapura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Brandy D. Balesteros. He aspired to be a soldier. Fernandino Edwin Paul M, from Poblacion 1, Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Edwin B. Bernardino. He believed in the saying, "I believe in God." His dream is to be a teacher someday. Datumaas Arapat A, from Poblacion 1, Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Danny M. Datumaas. He aspired to be an engineer someday. De Jesus Jasper J. G, from Singat, Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Francisco R. De Jesus. He dreamed of becoming an engineer someday. Gonzales Arzel Gabriel B. with honors, from Poblacion 1, Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Roland and L. Gonzales. He aspired to be a seaman someday. Gonzales Jersey Juno P, from Naya Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Jobert M. Gonzales. Gonzales Miguel Angelo B, with honors, from Poblacion 1, Pura Tarlac, son of Mr. and Mrs. Roland L. Gonzales. Melegrito Joel, with honors, from Singat, Pura Tarlac, son of Mrs. Rhoda P. Melegrito. He aspired to be an architect.